and give anyone who uses it crystal clear 20/20 vision in a matter of weeks. Its inventors have been conveniently silenced and forced to live in the shadows by the big glasses companies for the past 15 years. Mainstream media refuses to make their story public, even though it could save millions. Your own ophthalmologist, under Big Pharma's strict orders, will refuse to say a word about its existence. And yet, this major vision repair discovery is too important to be kept buried. So if you're here, put your phone on silent, close the door, and make sure you watch every second of this video. Because in just 3 minutes from now, you'll know exactly what's killing your eyes, how to stop it, and how to restore the perfect eyesight Mother Nature gives. Hi, my name is Ken Hart. If you or one of your loved ones have been losing your sight and are afraid that one day you might not be able to see the faces of your loved ones anymore, then today your world is about to change forever. Because you're moments away from a scientifically proven, all-natural method that can finally restore your eye's health and give you back perfect eyesight. With absolutely no laser surgery, expensive drugs, or crazy eye exercises, and without having to face that dismissive look of your ophthalmologist ever again. So sit tight, because the answers I'm going to reveal in less than 2 minutes from now will change everything you ever thought was true about deteriorating vision. Your ophthalmologist is dead wrong. The real reason why your eyes are slowly dying is not normal, even though it's a condition that has affected so many innocent men and women. It has zero to do with hereditary genes, your immune system, or age. No, the problem goes much deeper. The problem, as recent clinical evidence shows, backed by a dozen emerging reports, some even published in the Harvard Medical School's journal, is an insidious inflammation that is literally suffocating your eyes to death, perversely attacking your retina and visual cortex, while slowly killing your vision. Have you ever wondered why every single year 170,000 Americans go fully blind? 20, 40, 60-year-olds, people that will never see this beautiful world ever again. People that were simply abandoned by modern medicine. And yet there are men and women even in their late 90s with perfect eyesight. The answer is not for the weak of heart, but once you learn it, it will give you the key to finally stop this debilitating disease and regain your crystal clear vision once and for all. Picture the day when you wake up, open your eyes, and see your bedroom in a crystal clear, beautiful picture with zero glasses. Never again having to stumble around in a foggy and dangerous world. Never again having to feel the pressure, that annoying thought in the back of your mind that you won't be able to get the simplest thing done if you forget your glasses. Never again having to worry that you might go blind one day and be dependent on others for the rest of your life. Instead, you'll be a free man or woman who lives in a beautiful, vivid life and enjoys every single moment of it. Just like millions of other men and women like you who even in their late 90s still enjoy perfect 20/20 vision. I know how shocking this sounds right now. Believe me, I truly do. After all, you've heard a gazillion different stories about your sight over the years, and probably a lot of BS too. Your own doctor has probably sold you a lot of false or outdated information. Sure, they always had the best intentions in mind. We're always happy to write you that prescription for new, right? Even though your eyes were slowly failing you every day. I say to you, no more of this. And no matter where you are,